Do your lips look darker like this? You're not alone. Dark lips are very common concern, but most people don't really know why they happen and how to treat them. Is smoking the only cause? Will rubbing lemon or doing DIY tricks will help? Today I'll clear all your doubts and we'll talk about the real causes, the myths and the doctor-approved treatment that actually work. Hi, I'm Dr. Nikita and this is Clinically. On this channel, we break down skincare and hair care topics for you. Lip color naturally varies from person to person, and some people are born with naturally darker lips, which is completely normal. When lips become darker, patchy or discolored over time, that's when we call the pigmentation or the dark lips. It's usually harmless but can affect confidence, and sometimes it can signal lifestyle or medical issues. There are multiple causes of dark lips. Genetics plays a very important role, and some people are naturally predisposed to dark lips. Sun exposure is another big factor because UV rays damage lips and increase the pigmentation. Lifestyle habits like smoking, excessive coffee intake or tea intake, and dehydration can make your lips darker and dull. Using low quality or expired lipsticks and lip balms can irritate your lips and lead to darkening. Medical conditions such as anemia, vitamin B12 deficiencies, or hormonal imbalances can cause lip pigmentation. And in some cases, allergic reactions to toothpaste, flavored lip balms, or even cosmetics may leave behind pigmentations once the irritation heals. Now, let's clear some common myths. The first myth is rubbing the lemon on lips will make them pink. In reality, lemon is a very acidic product and can dry and irritate lips, making the condition even worse. The second myth is lip balm alone can lighten up the dark lips. Lip balm protects and hydrates, but it doesn't reverse the pigmentation. The third myth is that only smokers get dark lips. While smoking is a strong factor, sun exposure, genetics, and nutritional deficiencies are equally important causes. So what actually works? First, lifestyle changes. Quitting smoking, limiting coffee and tea intake, staying hydrated, and always using SPF lip balm. Yes, lips need sun protection too. For at-home care, focus on hydration with petroleum jelly or ceramide-based lip balms. Gentle exfoliation with a mild lip scrub once or twice a week can also help. Look for ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, licorice extract, and in dermatologist-approved formulations, look for kojic acid. My lip care recommendations are in the description box below. To protect and prevent the dark lips from worsening, use a high SPF lip balm daily. Apply a protective lip balm before every lipstick, and try to avoid or reduce the use of matte lipsticks. Avoid licking or biting your lips, and make sure you replace your lip products every 6 to 12 months, so you're not using the expired formulas. A balanced diet with enough vitamins and minerals also keeps lips healthy. Dark lips can be treated, but the key is understanding the cause. Home care and lifestyle changes help in most cases, but persistent pigmentation may require professional treatment. And remember, DIY hacks that promise overnight pink lips usually cause more harm than good. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for more doctor-backed skincare advice. And let me know in the comments, what do you think is the main cause of your dark lips in your case? Lifestyle, sun exposure, or genetics? Thank you.